2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Price, $64,500. Location, Ohio, USA. The 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport is the kind of American performance machine that instantly grabs attention before the engine even starts. Finished in ceramic matrix gray metallic with aggressive red heritage stripes, this Corvette looks like it rolled straight out of a professional racing paddock. With only 5,259 miles on the odometer, this low-mileage example feels almost untouched, giving collectors and performance enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own one of the most desirable C7 Corvettes ever produced. The moment the 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine comes alive, everything changes. Producing 460 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed paddle shift automatic transmission, this Grand Sport delivers brutal acceleration combined with razor-sharp responsiveness. The naturally aspirated V8 creates an experience modern turbocharged cars simply cannot replicate. Every throttle input releases a deep, thunderous exhaust note through the quad center-mounted exhaust system, turning every tunnel, highway, and city street into a personal concert of raw American muscle. The Grand Sport package takes this Corvette far beyond a normal Stingray. Inspired by Corvette racing technology, the wider body stance dramatically improves handling and stability at high speeds. Massive 19-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels wrapped in Michelin performance tires provide incredible grip during aggressive cornering. Chevrolet engineered functional aerodynamic upgrades including a front splitter, side extensions, cooling vents, and a unique rear spoiler, all designed to improve performance rather than simply enhance appearance. This car was built to dominate both the street and the racetrack. The removable Targa roof transforms the driving experience completely. One moment it feels like a precision-built sports coupe, and the next it becomes an open-air performance machine delivering pure driving freedom. Inside the cabin, the adrenaline red interior creates a bold cockpit atmosphere focused entirely around the driver. GT bucket seats provide outstanding comfort and support, while modern technology like the touchscreen infotainment system, Bose premium audio, rear-view camera, cruise control, and air conditioning make this Corvette surprisingly comfortable for long-distance driving. The Grand Sport name carries legendary importance in Corvette history. Originally connected to the ultra-rare 1963 factory racing program, the badge represents one of the most respected performance chapters in American automotive culture. This 2019 model continues that legacy perfectly by combining track-ready engineering with everyday drivability and proven reliability. Backed by a one-owner Carfax-certified history, this Corvette stands as a carefully maintained example that offers both investment potential and unforgettable driving excitement.